Welcome to Lesson 4.1, Basics of Digital Safety. In today's digital world, almost everything we do, from banking to communication, happens online. That makes digital safety not optional, but essential. In this lesson, we'll learn practical ways to protect ourselves from online risks. By the end of this lesson, you will understand why digital safety matters and learn essential skills to protect your personal information. These skills will help you reduce online risks and make smarter decisions while using the Internet. Why digital safety matters. Many people think cyber threats only target large companies, but individuals are just as vulnerable. Data breaches, hacked accounts, and online scams can cause financial loss, identity theft, and emotional stress. Understanding digital safety helps you prevent these risks before they happen. Strong passwords. Let's start with passwords, your first line of defense. A strong password should not be simple or predictable. It should include a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Length also matters. Passwords between 12 to 16 characters are much harder to crack using automated attacks. Think of your password like a lock. The more complex it is, the harder it is to break. Two-factor authentication. Even strong passwords are not enough on their own. That's where two-factor authentication, or 2FA, comes in. 2FA adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second verification step, usually a code sent to your mobile device. So even if someone guesses your password, they still cannot access your account without that second code. Avoiding phishing attacks. Phishing is one of the most common online scams. Attackers often send emails that look official, pretending to be banks, companies, or trusted organizations. Before clicking any link, check the sender's email address carefully. Be cautious with unexpected attachments. If you're unsure, contact the organization directly using their official website, not the link in the email. Recognizing suspicious links. One simple but powerful habit is hovering over links before clicking them. This allows you to see the actual website address. If the URL looks strange, contains random characters, or doesn't match the company name, don't click it. Taking just a few seconds to check can prevent serious problems. Protecting private information. Always make sure websites use HTTPS, especially when entering personal or financial information. The S stands for secure, meaning your data is encrypted. Also, regularly review your privacy settings on social media and apps. Control who can see your information and limit unnecessary access. Real-world examples. Think about social media accounts being hacked because of weak passwords, or phishing emails pretending to be delivery services asking for payment details. These are real-world examples that happen every day. By applying the safety practices we discussed, you can avoid becoming a victim. In this lesson, we covered essential digital safety practices, creating strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, identifying phishing attempts, checking suspicious links, and protecting private information. Digital safety is not about fear, it's about awareness and smart habits. Small actions today can prevent major problems tomorrow.